Hello, my name is Paul Tilley and welcome to AMZLiveLoop. Who is AMZLiveLoop for? Well, first of all, if you're a seller who wants a proven ranking strategy for generating reviews and rankings, this is definitely for you. Also, if you're a seller who wants to automatically generate more reviews and grow their list while they're asleep, again, this is for you. And finally, if you're anyone who wants to better understand the power of automation for their business, this is definitely a course that you will benefit from. Okay, let's take a quick look inside AMZLiveLoop. Inside AMZLiveLoop, you'll get a proven copy and paste templates, chatbot templates that you can plug in and use within minutes. You'll get templates that will automatically limit the number of daily giveaways. You'll learn how to rank and get reviews for brand new products, how to create stunning and effective chatbot landing pages. It will sync with your Google Sheets and back up your subscribers. So even if you lose an account, you've still got a backup of all the subscribers. You'll get more sales while growing your list with this lead magnet flow. And again, this is automated while you sleep, and automatically target high scoring leads. Okay, within the AMZLiveLoop strategy, there is 4 main components, and all these components will lead you to build your brand and own your traffic. Let's take a closer look at these now. So the first component is the launch. Now within the launch, it will show you how to build the ultimate automation launch list you can use to rank your products over and over again. Second component is, of course, the rankings. How bots can help get your listing on page 1 with a simple and effective strategy. Reviews are a bit of a nightmare, so this white hat way to increasing your verified reviews without getting blocked, as well as collect email addresses. And finally, revenue. Our favorite part, find out how chatbots can increase the cost of your brands. So basically increase the value, and you can use this system time and time again to build your brand and to generate more and more revenue. So there you go, there's a very quick look at the AMZLiveLoop strategy. It's incredibly powerful. It's automation, it builds your brands, it builds your list, you keep the list, and ultimately it generates your business in an automated way. So as you sleep, you are still generating revenues and reviews.